Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Just beyond the North Coast Highway, at the outskirts of Falmouth, Trelawny, in the enchanting town of Greenside, lies a property of unparalleled magnificence that will undoubtedly capture your heart. Nestled within an expansive landscape spanning approximately 38,387 square feet, this extraordinary estate presents a collection of 5 captivating bedrooms and 5 luxurious bathrooms. As you approach this extraordinary property, you will be greeted by an exquisite concrete reservoir, a beautifully paved enclosed backyard, inviting delightful family barbecues. On the lower floor, a spacious open garage awaits, designed to effortlessly accommodate your car. Ascend to the first floor, where a versatile room with an ensuite bathroom stands, offering endless possibilities as a home office or more. Adjacent to this, an entertainment room showcases a gorgeously decorated rock, harmoniously blending nature with impeccable design. This level is completed by another ensuite bedroom, affectionately named the Rock Room, creating a truly unique and serene sanctuary. Continue your journey to the upper floor via a stunning staircase where a foyer eagerly awaits, beckoning you further into the realm of this exceptional property. The kitchen exudes an air of warmth and elegance. There is a open concept living and dining area, adorned with high wooden ceilings. From these spaces, immerse yourself in the captivating view of the vast Caribbean Sea and the iconic Falmouth Pier, a sight that will undoubtedly etch itself firmly in your memory. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 475,000 or Jamaican $73.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.